I'm Ben from Rivervale and I'm here today with the Ford Transit 17-seat minibus. This is a factory-built minibus which is safe, spacious and practical for schools, colleges and universities. Ford minibuses have always been a popular choice in the education sector, and due to that they have been selling out fast. But we are delighted to say we have them available for immediate delivery here at Rivervale. So come on, let's take a closer look. These vehicles are built and designed and leave the factory as a fully fledged minibus. They are one of the safest and strongest, sturdiest minibuses for you and your passengers. This vehicle is in the Moondust Silver, but we also have Frozen White and Blazer Blue. Best of all, at Rivervale, we'll even include all your livery on the side so you can make it totally your own for a really personalised look for your school, college or academy. Powered by a heavy-duty 2-litre turbo diesel 130 PS or around about 128 brake horsepower engine, this vehicle is more than capable and perfectly economical when driving in and around towns. Also, at the rear of the vehicle we have parking sensors and a high-definition reversing camera. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Nice big sliding door for easy access, plus automatic side step makes it much easier to get on and off. So getting on board this is pretty easy, especially with the automatic side step, made getting on board very easy. I'm nearly 6 foot tall, there's lots of headroom in here for me to walk up and down. We've got emergency access in the ceiling here. We've got lots of light coming in through these large glazed windows. We've got pop-out windows at the rear for ventilation, plus a sliding window at the front. Well, I feel like I'm back at school going out on a school trip, except this is much more comfortable than when I was at school. These seats are actually really comfortable and really spacious. There's enough legroom for a fully grown adult. Plus, convenience, we've got cup holders on the side, speakers to enjoy the music while we're on our road trips. Plus, we've got USB power sockets to keep everyone entertained and charged whilst they're en route. Safety is paramount throughout the Ford Transit minibus. We've got side impact protection all throughout the rear of the bus. Plus we have 3-point seat belts with height adjustment for our smaller passengers. Plus we also have fire extinguishers and brake glass with hammers throughout the bus. So this is the leader spec, which is the easiest and most affordable way into the Ford minibus range. It still comes extremely well appointed. As you see, we've got some great storage up top. The Trend model does give you tinted glass plus air conditioning in the rear. As typical of Ford, the cockpit is extremely well appointed. It's got all the features that you've come to love across the Ford range, such as the quick clear windscreen, which is fantastic on the frosty mornings. We've got power fold and electronically adjustable wing mirrors with blind spot monitoring. We have nice soft touch faux leather steering wheel with all the functions and features at your fingertips. We've got things like lane departure avoidance, we've got collision avoidance as well with automatic braking. We haven't tested it, but trust us, it does actually work. We've got this large digital cockpit where all the information that you need, including the turn-by-turn navigation, is displayed on screen in front of you. We've got this nice large Sync 4 infotainment system with satellite navigation integrated as standard, plus you've got things like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We even have a 360-degree camera which offers fantastic visibility when manoeuvring the vehicle. You've even got the bird's eye view on here as well, so fantastic viewpoint when driving. Driving in the Ford Transit minibus is really pleasurable. I mean, I'm the passenger, we've got a designated driver here today, which is fantastic. We've got things like adaptive cruise control and a speed limiter, plus other driver conveniences such as auto headlights and wipers, all those kind of standard things. One of the beauties of getting your minibus through Rivervale, though, is that we do cover DPF filter regeneration as standard with all our Ford Transit minibuses. So This has been the Ford Transit Leader 17-seat minibus. Now, it's a safe, practical, reliable vehicle, perfect for any school, college or academy. If you're after something a little bit more luxurious, you can opt for the Trend Spec, which gives you reclining rear seats with armrests, privacy glass, air conditioning in the front and rear, plus keyless start. Now, if you're interested in this minibus or any of the other minibuses we have available, or have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. Visit us at rivervale.co.uk or pick up the phone and speak to a member of the minibus team. Numbers on screen at the moment. Any questions, do feel free to ask, and don't forget, if you like this vehicle, to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thanks very much.